Good morning all. Ashwini John, who won the Youth Icon Award of 2017 from ICT Academy, may not be a familiar face to most of us. Today, I am going to share some thoughts and insight which I received after listening to one of her speeches. Before moving on to my topic, I have two basic questions to all my dear listeners. I just want you to introspect. The first question is, how many of you have told sorry in your lives? Just think. If your answer is yes, then be proud of yourself because it takes a very strong person to say sorry. And my second question is, how many of you have forgiven a person even if that person hasn't asked you for an apology? Just think. I am very sure that before the end of this speech, I can create a spark in all of your minds that I can forgive. Yes, my dear friends, my today's topic is forgiveness. We all know that forgiveness is a 11-letter word, but Elizabeth Marx, a very famous writer, once told that forgiveness is just a 4-letter word. Forgiveness is just a 4-letter word, that is L-O-V-E, love. We all know that the very nature of we human beings is to get angry when someone hurts us, right? But I will say that forgiveness is forgetting the past and starting off with a clean state. Forgiveness is like taking out a knife from your back which someone has poked you with and not using that weapon against someone else, no matter how badly they hurt you. Today, I am going to emphasize on two main aspects of forgiveness. First, why can't some people forgive? And second, the power of forgiveness. So moving on to the first aspect, I think there are mainly three reasons why some people can't forgive. The first reason is we think that we don't get an apology. We used to say that he didn't apologize, she didn't apologize. We always expect others to say sorry. My dear friends, it's our memory, not theirs. People may have different versions of forgiveness. If forgiveness was dependent on the apology of a particular person, then believe me, by now the whole world would have been burned down. So moving on to the second reason why some people can't forgive is that they lack the ingredients of forgiveness in them. I'll tell you a small story. Once there was a yogi. The yogi saw a small scorpion in a flooding river. The yogi goes near that river and tries to save the scorpion. As usual, the scorpion bites him. Again the yogi goes on to save the scorpion. And again the scorpion bites him. This happened 2 or 3 times. Then a devotee was passing by and he asked the yogi, "Why are you trying to save it? It's biting you, just leave it behind." Then the reply that the yogi gave to that devotee is very notable. The yogi told him that this little creature can't let go its character of hurting me. Then how can I let go my character of helping it? My dear friends, the yogi was able to practice forgiveness in his life just because he contained the ingredients of forgiveness in him. And that, my dear friends, is love and compassion. You can't love a person unless and until you forgive that person. My dear friends, the third reason why some people can't forgive is that they don't understand the difference between weakness and wickedness. When someone hurts you, it might be their weakness. We all have weaknesses in our life. How many of you don't have weaknesses? We all have weaknesses. We all are capable of hurting others. When we are so eager to receive forgiveness from someone, then why can't we forgive? Then I keep on asking you to forgive, forgive, forgive. You may all have many questions in your mind. You may all think that, then what do we do to a person who hurts a girl? What do we do to a person who harasses a woman? What do we do to a person who killed thousands of people? Should I forgive them? When I complain to police, is that forgiveness? No, it's not forgiveness. When you are complaining to police, you are complaining about the act of that particular person, not about that person. And when police takes an action favorable to you, it's like applying medicine on your wounds. The wound won't get healed unless and until you forgive that person. It will remain there. Moving on to the second aspect of my today's topic, that is power of forgiveness. There are mainly three powers which you get when you forgive a person. The first one is that you can lead a happy and healthy life. Yes, it's about you. When you forgive a person, you are healing yourself, your mind, your body, your soul. The second power which you get when you forgive a person is that you are coming out of their control. When someone hurts you or rejects you, there are two ways for you to come out of that situation. Either you stay, you continue to feel sad, depressed, angry, or you have to come out of that situation. You stop being the victim of what they did. My dear friends, I want all of you to re-empower yourself. The third power which you get when you forgive a person is that you are coming out of the emotions. The emotion of anger, sadness, depression. I'll tell you a small incident of Sister Maria from Kerala. Sister Maria was stabbed 50 times by a villager because the villager mistook of what she did. Sister Maria came to the village for social service, but the villager did not understand that. He stabbed her and killed her. Do you know what her mother did? When her mother came to see Sister Maria in hospital, she saw her daughter lying helpless in that hospital bed. Her mother forgave that person. Her mother told him that, my dear son, I know that you did it out of some intention, but I forgave you. I'm okay with that. My dear friends, I, Maria, as a student, as a youngster, as a human being, have a small request to all my dear friends. Okay, we all may have been hurt by someone in our lives. We may all have grudges in our life. Okay, just let it be there. Forgive them. Forgive them. It's not because they deserve your forgiveness. It's not because they ask for your forgiveness. It's because you can't move forward unless and until you forgive that person. It shows your maturity level. It shows who you are, not them. Forgiveness is a gift to yourself from yourself. You just have to search within. Thank you.